All right, what happens when you have a mess like this of toys in the floor? I hate to add these boxes and keep piling them up and piling them up with toys. Then you know what? I'm just a little fed up, but we're gonna make it look nice and neat. So we're gonna set up a box today, a toy box, and it's a foldable box that it's made of cloth. It has a hard shell on the bottom, so you guys can see that. You can take it off and fold it and place this anywhere you want. Now, on top of that, they give you actual lid. If you can see in the lid, there's actually Velcro stickers here that you can stick on the actual lid cover, right? And you can close it from both ends. Both lids have Velcro, so you can close them. Of course, you can have your lid closed. And today we're just gonna open it up and we're gonna put all the toys away in this box. So let's go ahead and put the toys away. So as you can see, you can have all your toys in here. Plus, you could add more. And on top of that is Velcro. You could take it off and on and close it up. Easy, beautiful little box for toys. Perfect for this aesthetic room. We're going to set it up in here. Beautiful little lighting. I like the actual cover, especially the Velcro and the material that it's made from. A toy box made for kids or anything if you want to restore. If you say you are doing DIY projects too, you could put your stuff in here, cloth, clothing, toys, pretty much anything that goes in this box. So very durable, and it has handles on both ends. If you can see, it made of material. So hope you guys enjoy the video.